Well, good afternoon, guys. It's Mikel Smith with Occupational Therapy, Wenatchee Schools, and I am going to make a sandwich for Mr. Smith and I today. He's been working pretty hard in the yard, so I'm going to show you how to make a couple of types of sandwiches. It's a fun, fine motor activity, and plus you get to eat it afterwards. Make sure you have an adult with you to help you, because some of the parts you will need help. All right. Okay, so there are a couple of options that we could do. We could do peanut butter and jelly. We can also do mayonnaise and mustard, or whatever you like, just mustard, just mayonnaise. Lunch meats, cheese, and I like to add veggies, so a little bit of everything. I like cucumber. Mr. Smith likes pickles. He can't eat avocado because he has an allergy. So he will not be getting avocado or cucumber on his sandwich, but he will be getting pickles. And next you need bread, a plate or a napkin, butter knife, which you'll need an adult to help you with. Or you could use a spoon, which is safer. And then I will show you how to make the sandwich. Oh, another thing that you can use are tortillas if you'd like. And you can put all the spreadings onto that and roll it up and make a wrap. Okay, so first we're going to take our peanut butter. Let's open it up. So you're just going to twist the top. There you go, peanut butter. Next, our jelly. Just grab the top, twist it off, just like that. And then we're going to take our piece of bread, or you can use the tortillas, like I said. Either way, take it. Take your spoon. So I'm just going to take a little bit of peanut butter. I'm just going to do a half a sandwich here. This is a snack sandwich. So, see how I just put the peanut butter on like that? You don't want a whole lot. And I'm just going to spread it on one side. Like that. Clean up your spoon. Get some jelly. Just a little scoop like that. About a spoonful. And I'm just going to spread it across. Just like that. And take it and fold it in half. You have a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Okay, so next we're going to make a sandwich using our ingredients that I showed you with the vegetables. So I'm going to make Mr. Smith's sandwich first. So I'm going to take 2 pieces of bread. And I'm going to take the mayonnaise. So again, I'm going to twist the top off just like that. So great fine motor activity. Set that right there. I'm going to take my butter knife. Now this is where we make sure we have an adult, but you can also use a spoon. Just dip it right in there like that. Just a little bit. Mayonnaise is good, but it can be a little unhealthy if you have too much, like everything. All right. He likes a little more mayonnaise. So I'm just going to go like that. Okay, I got the mayonnaise. Put the top back on. Next, he likes mustard. Actually, Libby. All right. So I'm going to take the mustard. I'm going to shake the mustard. You know why? Because there's a little bit of juice at the top. So when you go to squirt it out, you don't shake it. It's not thick enough and it'll squirt juice all over, which I don't like. Okay. So we're just going to put a little bit of mustard. Just like that. Take our knife, We're going to spread it around to the edges. See how I'm spreading it around? And if you don't like mustard, you can put mayonnaise on both sides. Or just one side. That's fine. Nice and light. Okay. So he likes turkey and ham. So I'm going to take a little bit of turkey from our lunch meat. And I'm just going to place it on here like that. He also likes ham, so I'm going to give him a slice of ham. Just like that. Now we're going to add the pickles. Just spread them across the sandwich. And he also likes tomato. So I'm going to put some tomato on there. See? So I'm building layers on my sandwich. Just like that. All right. He likes onion. Not everybody likes onion on their sandwich, and that's okay. You can put whatever you want. And then we're going to top it off with some lettuce. Actually, let's give him a bigger piece. That one's kind of small. All right, now we're going to take the top with the mustard and put it on just like that. So now see, we have a sandwich. And then you can put it on a plate. And there you go. Enjoy.